Mama wakwaba midi ede adwoa searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel me a notification bell no so for more news. Ohene David eka fix the country for freedom fighters ebeka ya 2020 ebeto aba no eye pinso ewa brochi na Ghana hanomi na NPP for mo afom wendi kra na Ohene David ende o trese watna se hu so man penida da John Dramani Mahama no sebio manu de sumna so na meka mimi ntumi yobi ne papa. I am not in that position na mo me no peni bi yade na enya obeka kire no se ne ese but Ohene David bon omo no mo ni yawa omo afem ti no mo di attend. Sometimes when you are talking now kai pain bia wa komo ahwa be di attend. Ohene David e kire so man penida da John Dramani Mahama sebio ye senseless adwen no click inti president no start be di no wan de oba be ye ti watna se adwen ho se dabe inti NDC fo na se bi mu wuni mi yansa no Ghana ha digital nipo de buy na mafu na em was digitalization omo de ba mu follow se nkofo no na Ohene David me no ya adwen because when you are driving offend say e wo Accra or drive wa Accra, what you need is you just pick your phone, or Google map, or type it destination. No? If you reach this junction, take left. If you 5 meters away here, take right. And omeka catch wa no wa hakudu. Digitalization there ye name. Into no Ohene David NDC for no. Ebeya anka mun follow sa de na mun jo man pende da John Dramani Mahama na de oba be no ho ade wo ye ene oburoni o phone so no catch on any pokia so onim ho kra drive 3 meters away. When you reach when you reach the first junction, take right, go forward, take left. You catch what happen. Ohene David is any bi na ye ti en follow mo nti ensema Ohene David ede atiga
Jimmy D. Message na me de ba e ba kope only to fix dustbin issues. John Dramani Mahama ni minyansa. John Mahama ni nyansa o. Mo he o de say 10 year boa ba ko so ono so aba ha. Ahmed Rahman or say Mr. Preko is in is in Kosiaman here. Wa he Kosiaman here. Free education abano, enroll yourself in free education. Go and find yourself a better education. Abotoliwa. Unyai bemifu. Hey, Raman Shabibio. You have to learn something. Ahmed Rahman, you have to learn something. Unyai bemifu. Pajimio Kasia onipa mudi nechi no me ka che se onimu nyansa mon san free nechi na mon kwhwehwe better person Kofi Krantem na nam de digitalization ebremo omo de no it is not just verbal bragging oh. He means it. Common dustbin issues. Ya fix it esifako. Brabasha na ko kachira onkrofo ni say they should do the same thing. Akasia ye di besi household yi anase efitwehye mu no mo hu kwa ambafa so ambe na ebe kama. Nienti a omo nya nyina no. Dustbin no ye di besi wona se nwura ne ye ma ye nya ka ma ne mefa. Instead of say omo implement this idea na sanitation ministry no, if he is not ready to provide such things then mon council sanitation ministry no every government ministries no yempese beba ministries wo no ye be hu say obi o hono ye friend sanitation minister yempese ye be hu sanitation ministry
Saudi what the best sandia e koso ya de ewu trim ni nkukobuo be men nkukobuo kakra na nkukọ na ato nkukọ no to ane ya tonkosia no ye tonkosia na edi na edu ba bia na afi kosia na akukọ no gba akokora ne abrewa na ya ton akokora no sorry na ya ton akokọ no end of business. Dr. Mahama, why do you do this? What the president that say, with all due respect, what the president that? With all due respect, Pamu philosopher so kwachine sanko for the free ho jagal ne pe. Because those people always want you to say stuff that will disgrace you. Hey, our polling station agents are illiterate. Now omobo vuvuzela. As for Sante for there, would you go to your crime or crana and your mofe? And I am calling was free education, you know. Ediania de momono, make my grandy, eh? Abosome nkuna wo, emu ntesutie, emu obre, kode na, woda na dwuna wunyane na kode ibutu yem. Enne de, ye de Ghana sika ehwe wo ba ni school keke ntin wo bi se wo ba ne ye knaman because ono mahama mma no wo mu ndidi saa nokre. Na sabe mahama nkraman no kra ne German shepherd moa no wo mu di aduane papa echen free education. Aduane so nkodan kodi ba yen yade o, Chairman Drew. Ebi adinam Harvard, ebi adinam Brunel College, ebi adinam University of Ghana, yanyare, ye ho ayefe. Ebi no mu didi 3 times a day. What to papa no ma me nchen wo fie wo didi once enumere ye hwe ba nchen, na ye yibi ahye ne nsa. Kofa tire obra, obeba no, na ya wo fufu, na we bedibi. Obi atete wo hwe mu ba sebe. Wo bi akoye e ma do se ya na den na ye o menini na ayira ye hete na waje agu no na wawo na be ma na onu ku achi posi no osi uso hem no wono tenkwankwa ani ase na sika na nke beba me politician no ho na me dia ya kesesam na me se me de twa wo be school wo se no nya papa wo beifo on pa de pa beye bi am pa de pa enti na beye di ball aso no beye mpa de pa. You have seen the drawing for 2024 elections in Kumewu, and I bet you, Ghanani, I want you people to put this down for me. I promise you, 2024, NDC will lose the general election. And this time, their money, I mean, how do you call it? Their numbers is going to be low. Let me give you an example. Yesterday, the people who went to become polling station agents for NDC, you saw them, Okudata, Block and all of them. Omuluzu Poto, Meboa. And these are their brightest stars. Omukoye due diligence. Utie. Wamukoye due diligence. Tina ho. Pacho 1 second, maybe. I need to. For superstars. And wamukosha abanosono. Wamukra no sebe. Ye huso. Enti picture 2024 when they go and bring in their illiterate polling station agents and their consequently secretary. Na ene omo ezu choboy iron boy. So omo na ebehwe polling no so a ede na ebesi ye hu. Nti hwede ebesi. Wo mo ankasa aba no kura no wo mu hu kan. Enti wo mo be lusu poto. Utie NPP for say ye kwa abato a wo de jo anochinom na ade no makbenu mu ekoku gudam wi a ye wo young boys ya wo mo so ye den eti polling station na adwuma na se eye digitized NDC for the no NDC flag no pu ohun ne say ye wa bonti wa bombidim enti wo mu belusu. And from there, this is what I will say. Say NDC nim. Nana na womu lose 2024 election no. Based on incompetence. Based on muchumudu achinaya. Na omo beye di omo be ye ne ye be ko street so akwohye time me say this time won ensuo no ya started no a police for nsuo no ya started this so cause ye nim say mo bi no mo body na ye wele ya hwe ya nkamo